also kicked off our on-pack. So since bringing everything in-house, we haven't done anything on-pack yet. But this summer, we have gone live with 2. So on our Greek recipe pots, we have... our campaign was all about running. It's the Purest Protein for Miles campaign. So we've supported that with a competition with giving away Garmin watches every week. To kind of set that up in the back end, we used the contest Lite management system again. So we've used the same system with a new front end to allow us to kind of pick a new winner, store the details, collect data, and then send that on. So it's been great to increase purchase. It brings people into the database so we can talk to them again and again. And it brings people to Yokins and onto the website again, further the brand story, all that kind of stuff. So we've also gone live with a KitchenAid competition on our fruited pots. And it's been really invaluable to our product-specific brand managers. They can really boost sales for their specific product. We've kind of set those up by creating a new coupon pool. So only those pots are valid for the competition. I think the next one that we'll do will probably be range full, so we won't need specific pools, but having that pooling function has been really beneficial for us to kind of set these up, which has been great.